What is a direct payment? Once I was assessed as eligible for support, I asked for a direct payment. It gives me more choice and control over my life. A direct payment is money from the council for me to choose and pay for my support. Everyone is different. My support needs and goals are unique to me, and having a direct payment helps me to personalise my support. I have assistance from the Flintshire Direct Payment Support Team. They helped me set up the direct payments, provided information about direct payments in a way that I could understand, and helped me feel confident and happy in being in control of my support. I know I can always speak to them if I have questions or need support with my direct payments. The social worker and the direct payment support team helped me to look at how I wanted to use my direct payment in the best way for me. Some examples that a direct payment could be used for could be employing someone to help me, using a care agency or micro-carer, purchasing equipment, pooling some of my direct payments to do things with other people, or support for unpaid carers. I am responsible for how I use my direct payment. I can shape my support around my needs and the things that really matter to me. My support helps me to live my life and is flexible. The direct payment support team helped me to set up a prepaid bank account with Flintshire Council for the direct payment to be paid into. This makes it simple for me to manage the money. Although I can manage some aspects of my direct payments, there are some bits that I struggle with. So I asked my sister to be a nominated person, and she helps me manage the bits of the direct payments that I find difficult. So I am still in control with support. I contribute towards the cost of my direct payment. The financial assessment team told me how much. The financial assessment considered my disability-related costs when they completed their assessment. Having a direct payment has helped me take control of my support, enable me to do the things that are important to me with support that I have chosen myself. I will have a better life, doing things that are important to me with support I choose.